I want you to raise your roof because, quite simply, this is Bolton's moment in Olympic history. The flame will be yours. As I said, one life.
Jonathan!
For a second, that would like to introduce from Wales West tonight, one and only, give a warm welcome to Roger Johnson! There you go, Roger. You're having a good time, Bolton!
She's been over there with her friends. Not my friends have been here, but yeah, but she's not letting me go.
Really get me. I've seen a lot of people I recognise. It's great having you all here. Are you basically Olympics? You're the youngest ever Olympian to win a medal in boxing from this country. How is it different to be involved with the sport, with the Olympics from this side this time? It means a lot to me because I was in the 2004 Olympic Games and, I won the silver medal.
The thickest Bolton accent ever.